Hey, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace or put on the Hinge tab on a Studio 2 or Studio 3 wireless. Sometimes these Hinge tabs fall off. It's rare, but it does happen, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put them on. So for this set of headphones, there's little tabs on the panel that are supposed to hold the tab in place, and they broke off. So in order to fasten the tab back on, what we're going to do is we're going to just apply a little bit of adhesive and pop it back in place, and it should do the trick. Also, we do sell these tabs on our website, and if you do purchase them, they're going to already come with an adhesive strip on the back as well. So I'm going to cut a little strip, place it right here like so. I'm gonna go ahead and use a flathead to pry up this film. Once that is removed and the adhesive is attached in place, we're gonna go ahead, take this tab and pop it back in like that, and it should do the trick. And if one of the tabs is loose and you want to fasten it back on, you can go ahead and pop off the other tab using a flathead. It should just fit right in, pop. If there's any old adhesive, go ahead and remove it, which in this case, it's already removed. We're just going to do the same, follow the same steps. Cut a little piece. Apply it to the inside panel like so. Peel this film. And we're gonna go ahead and pop it in. You should also hear a little click. And once that is complete, you're good to go. And that is how you replace the Hinge tabs on the Studio 2, Studio 3 wireless.